In this video, I will take you through the payments process on the UKSC and JCPC case management portal. Payments can be made in respect of two things. Either at the end of an application covers both the initial application for permission to appeal or when filing a notice of appeal, or for applications made throughout the life of a case, such as an application for an extension of time or other procedural application. The second type of payment you will be required to make on the portal is where the court has requested a payment for a specific reason. Normally, this will be if a payment that has been made previously is identified as being of an insufficient amount, normally caused by bank transfer fees or similar. In this example, I'm going to pay the fee first for this notice of objection. As you can see, I've already started this in draft. I click on View to go into the application. I've already completed Step 1, the application information, and Step 2, uploading supporting documents, so all that is left is for me to make the payment. By clicking on Payment, I'm taken to this screen here, which confirms the fee, £160 in this instance, and gives me two options, either to apply for help with fees or to make or confirm payment. Applying for help with fees is covered in a separate video, so I will only select Make or Confirm Payment in this video. Selecting Make or Confirm Payment takes you to this second page. Again, the amount is confirmed, £160. You will find our bank details for those of you who prefer BACS as a system of paying court fees, but you also have the option of paying by credit card. If you wish to pay by credit card, you would select Pay by Credit or Debit Card. If you wish to pay by BACS, you would select this option and give us the details of a bank transfer you've already made. In this example, I will be using the bank transfer system, but I will show you the credit card payment page for information. As you will see, case ID, payment reference, the description, so notice of objection to PTA, the amount, 160. You would then fill in your cardholder details, billing address, and card details, and click Pay Now. It works very similar to many other online payment systems. As indicated, though, I will be using this demo to demonstrate bank transfer. I will put the amount in. I've transferred 160. I'm going to say it came from Barclays. I'm going to say the account holder was me, but this would typically be your firm name, I would imagine. Payment reference. We recommend using the case reference number for the payment reference, as it is an easy, unique number linked to this case file, but it is not mandatory. It is merely recommended. Any reference you put in here will be identified linked with this payment when it reaches our bank account. As such, I'm going to use the reference PTA Sparrow OB, so it's the payment for the notice of objection in the PTA in the Sparrow matter. And I'm going to say that the payment date was yesterday. I'll click Continue. It takes me to this screen here, which confirms that this is the information that you have put in, or I put in this case. We recommend taking either a screenshot or printing this page for your records. You would then click Complete. You would then submit your filing, which is done by clicking the declaration here and clicking Submit. Whichever filing type you do, the payment process is identical. The next thing I would like to cover is making a payment that has been requested by the court. In this example, payment for the original provisional application was short. It was £950 rather than the £1,000 required. The court has looked at this case file, has checked the bank details and has noticed the shortfall of the £50. What the court will do is raise a correspondence, which you will see down here, payment request. You will notice the visibility here is registry and name party only. When it comes to making or sending message in relation to case payments, we will only deal with the party relevant, whereas general directions such as fixing hearing dates, etc., or confirmations whether we will be robed or adjustments to hearing times, etc., will go to all parties, as will confirmation of when documents and applications are filed, but correspondence involving payment is kept secure to just the relevant party. You will know this correspondence is here because with all case correspondence, when it is created, an email comes to you to tell you that there is a new correspondence on the system. So when the notice of objection is filed, when the correspondence about robes is sent, when the payment request is made, you get an email saying there is new correspondence. Come to the portal and look at it. So I go into this to see what the payment request is for, and I can see the message from the registry telling me that the fee for permission to appeal was £1,000, however only £950 has been received. You'll note that the registry has said that a request has been raised in the Payments and Help with Fees button on the case summary page. You will also note that there is a warning that failure to pay the outstanding amount by, in this case, the 15th of December, may result in the closure of the application. I will go back to the case summary page, and here I can click on the Payment and Help with Fees button. Looking at the payment, I can see there are 4 payment lines on this case. There is the £1,000 that I originally paid, or that I originally should have paid for this. I can see that the fee amount is £1,000. I can see that the fee that the portal requested was £1,000, but the amount received by the court is only £950. Here is the payment line requesting the missing £50. You'll see it's pending payment. I would click on View, and it takes me to exactly the same screen as we saw before when making the payment for the notice of objection, where I can pay by credit debit card. I'll give details of bank transfer. Again, I'm going to do bank transfer. I'm going to put the £50 that I paid in. Once again, Barclays, me, and I'm going to change the reference to say PTA Sparrow 50 to identify it as the £50 that was missing, and I've made that request from the bank today. So I click continue, and as before, please take a screenshot or print of this page for your own records. Click complete, it takes you back, and you can see now there's a note that this payment, the £50, was submitted today. This concludes payments.